We're going to have a go at solving this problem using ratios. AB is a straight line and CD is a straight line. The angle ACD is twice the angle DCB. Calculate the size of both angles. Moving on to the next slide. The ratio of the angle ACD to the angle DCB is 2 to 1. This gives 3 shares. The angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. We know there are 3 shares, so we take this 180 and we divide it by 3 to give us 1 share. We already know that the ratio is 2 to 1, so it means on this side we can put 60, which is one of the shares, and of course on this side it's 2 shares, so it's 2 times 60, which is 120. Consequently, we can see that this angle is 120 degrees and this one is 60 degrees.